Hello all skin pros. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the range of facials inspired by the timeless elegance of French beauty. Embrace the allure of Parisian skincare secrets as the range facials transport you to the heart of French beauty. Enriched with meticulously selected actives, each treatment is a sensorial journey, harmonizing luxurious textures with powerful skin-loving ingredients. Each step of this indulgent facial is infused with nature's finest ingredients, drawing inspiration from French elegance to elevate your skincare experience. Let's explore the transformative power of each step in the Raga Premium Platinum Facial. Step 1. Cleanser. It's important to thoroughly cleanse the face before starting. Apply the pack of cleanser onto damp skin using circular motions. Enriched with licorice extract and a blend of red apple and papaya extracts, this gentle cleanser purifies the skin, removing impurities and excess oil, while hydrating and refreshing the skin. Wipe it off with a facial sponge. Step 2. Exfoliator. Apply a small amount of exfoliator onto the skin, avoiding the eye area. Exfoliate gently in circular manner. Formulated with glycolic acid and citric acid, this exfoliating marvel sloughs away dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and promotes cell turnover, revealing a smoother, brighter complexion with each use. Step 3. Toner. Inspired by French skincare traditions, dip the toner using a brush and gently sweep it across the face and neck. Powered evening primrose extract, lactic acid, and colloidal platinum, this revitalizing toner balances the skin's pH levels, minimizes pores, and enhances the efficacy of subsequent skincare products. Step 4. Serum. Apply the serum evenly onto the face and neck. It is infused with vitamin C, colloidal platinum, and peptides. This potent serum penetrates deep into the skin, boosting collagen production, evening out skin tone, and providing intense hydration for a youthful, radiant appearance. Step 5. Massage gel. Dispense the massage gel and apply it on the face. Gently spread the gel over the face and neck. Use gentle upward strokes to massage the gel into the skin. Enriched with nourishing glycerin, this luxurious formula hydrates and soothes the skin while promoting blood circulation, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Now wipe it off with a facial sponge. Step 6. Peel-off mask. Mix the given peel-off mask powder with the required 80 ml of water until it reaches a creamy texture. Apply the mixture on the face. Let it dry for 15 minutes. Infused with licorice extract and multani mitti, this detoxifying mask removes impurities and excess sebum, tightens pores, and restores skin's natural radiance, revealing a refreshed and rejuvenated complexion. Finally, Step 7. Day cream. Apply the pack of day cream onto the face and neck, gently massaging it until fully absorbed. Enriched with licorice extract, this lightweight yet deeply nourishing cream provides all-day hydration, protects the skin from environmental stressors, and enhances its natural luminosity, ensuring a radiant and youthful glow. Unlock radiant skin with our specialized facial range. Gold Facial. Illuminate dull skin with our Gold Facial, infused with anti-aging gold colloid, hydrating rosemary oil, and exfoliating lactic acid. Fairness Facial. Achieve an even-toned complexion with our Fairness Facial, featuring vitamin C-rich strawberry extracts, skin-smoothing glycolic acid, and blemish-fighting niacinamide. Choose your skincare routine and frequency of facials as needed to maintain its health and vitality. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned.